up on those handoffs, making it tough for you to get a clean handoff.
Up top, Capella, wow! Giannis, what a block! This was next level right here.
Fire from 17. Caruso keeps it alive. Shot good at the goal!
Oh my goodness!
Isaiah Joe! Doncic will defend Curry. A screen by Green, the switch to Lively. Three, Curry! Oh! Wiggins has 11, Kelvin Jones. Up high and down hard!
Under a minute, Carter on Lillard. Lillard, step back three, got it! Game time! We're tied! Vintage Damian Lillard.
And the Rockets now from 3 tonight, Grant. 1 of 11. They get it back. Şengün dropping a dime to Eason.
Down to 3, to 2. Tatum drops the 8. Tatum delivers one.
Jonathan deflects it. Hendricks Williams tries it. Blocked again by Antetokounmpo. Are the Bucks back? Yes, they are.